So I'm guessing you've seen the other videos on YouTube and none of them tell you how to fold this exact model of tent. And it's a different shape to all the others they always do guides for. So let's look at this one. So first of all, what we want to do is, you see the strap on the floor there? That needs to be facing away from you on the floor. Next, we put our hands on each side of the tent and just twist your left hand towards you so that your thumb ends up facing towards you. And it nicely just brings them both together into two circles. Okay, now we need to rotate the whole circle 90 degrees so that we have, now we need to look for that strap. Okay, we want the strap to be on the left side of us. Okay, now we've got that in place. Grab hold of the top and just simply press down, and it will willingly start turning itself. And then you've got a nice figure of 8 pattern. Keep your hand on the center to make sure that it doesn't unfold on itself. Make sure there's 2 circles on both ends. We've got a figure of 8 shape. Bring it all together. Now grab with your right hand, grab both circles on there and fold it over. It's okay, it won't snap. Okay, now hold on to the left as well, because it does want to come open. It wants to force itself open. Now we're here. Make sure you do not let go of the left hand. You've got all 4 poles together. Now grab the strap and we just bring it around. And that's it. That's all put together. But remember, don't let go of this because it still wants to jump out at you. So wait until you put it in the bag before you let go. If this was any use to you, please leave a like and a comment, and make sure you save it to your playlist so that you don't lose it next time you need this guide. Thanks a lot.